Okay, so I'm going to explain you today inheritance. So inheritance is like if I create an parent class which is animal in this code, and then a child class in which is it's the parent class child. So if I create a class named animals, so I can add as many animals I want. So you're watching, this is the child class dog, and this is the parent class animal, and this is also a child class cat. So first I am creating this, so if anything now I would write inside it, so it would be animal name. This parameter would be this parameter. So when I create it, so this parameter would be this parameter, and this parameter would be this parameter. So this is how to use classes inheritance. So now what does this code do? If I show you the output, so it would just print this. Buddy says woof, Whisker says meow. So how to make it speak? So this is a simple code in which I'm using a library. Oh, wait for a minute. Let me paste this big code. So this is first I am importing the library, then I'm initializing the speech engine, then text to speak, and this is speaking the text. So now you can watch the output.
Hello, how can I help you today?
So if I remove the comments, let me first I just write for your next time. And now if I create a function def speak, let's go. Let me take this to the top, because let me draw it to the top. Let me take this down. And now here I'm creating the functions. So let's speak underscore text. Inside this would be there could be a parameter named message. And now if I indent it, tab, then instead of this I can directly remove this, and inside instead of text I could write message. Message. So this is the message. Now it would speak it. So let me tell you how to does this code work. So now this code should be at end. Now if I take this code down, so this is I have created my speak test also. So and this, and I'm creating it. So I'm going to explain you how does this work. So I'm now using the speak text. So now so self dot meow says this is an f string, so I could directly create parameter inside. Okay, now and inside this I could add speak text and brackets and a message which I could write, and inside it I could write the message in the double quotes. Speak text. Let me add single quotes because it would end there one. Single quotes and single quotes, and now the adding bracket. So now this would should be and set up. Let me copy this now. C. Space. Now says meow. It should also return it, and before returning, so it should speak text. Here it should speak wolf. Okay, and it should after return. Okay, so what we can do? Let me remove it from here. I have a good better idea. I could use it over here. Watch. So it's created over here. I could write here. Oh, not even here. It should be printed over here. Here it should print wolf. And now let me remove these brackets. And after that, yeah. Okay. So you can watch now what does it would do if I run my code. What is the problem? What is it? Oh, this. Now all the problems gone. Oh, so I could add again. Oh, exclamation mark and exclamation mark. Let me see. And now, when a cat say meows, it takes pauses. Copy also with Control C. Now let me try it. Now.
Wolf. Meow. 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 Meow.
So you're watching how it's running my code. So this is how this code is working, and this is how I can use inheritance.